Hi, my name is Allison Plancha and I created the game Survival. During this game, children use strategic skills and ideas to navigate through different climates in order to get back to civilization after starting in the frozen tundra. In general, students will be learning about migration and how different climates provide different challenges. This is the container for the game. Just goes in the pocket, and then there are pieces for each. There's 5 different colors for students to use. Dice. This is the game board. This is the frozen tundra, the ocean, desert, jungle, and then civilization. And then we have all of our resource cards down here, skill cards, explore cards, and then population cards. There is an instruction paper, and part of the game is when you roll different numbers, you get to pick up different cards. So there's a roll card to remind students of what they will be picking up for which roll. So each turn would kind of look like the first person is going to roll the dice, and I got an 8. So an 8 means that you receive 2 resource cards. So the resource cards get shuffled up, and then I would pick 2 of them, and everybody else also gets to pick up 2 of the resource cards. So everybody gets to pick up cards every time the dice is rolled. And then students are trying to accomplish different tasks in order to move from one climate to the next, or like level up and get closer to civilization. So in order to leave the frozen tundra, you must build a fire or get that skill card. You must build a shelter, which is this explore card. You must increase your population by 5 people, and this one gets a little tricky because the population cards go up in increments. There's like a +1, +2, +3, but there's also -1, -2, -3. So you gotta get your population up 5. And then you must successfully build a ship. And in order to build a ship, you must play 3 wood resource cards and 3 metal resource cards. So that's how you leave the frozen tundra. And then in order to leave the ocean, you have to have a hunter skill card, and you have to have an island explore card. And then you have to increase your population again by 5. So now your population has to be 10. And then you also have to play 3 water cards and 3 food cards. And those are in the resource category. And then to leave the desert, you have to play a sewing skill card, a freshwater explore card, increase your population by 5. So at this point, you'd have a population, or your community would have a population of 15. And then you must have tools and protection to leave. So you have to play 3 wood resource cards and 3 metal resource cards. And then the last level or climate is the jungle, and you must play a wheels and basic mechanisms skill card. And then you have to play a jungle pet explore card, and then you have to increase your population again by 5. And then in order to move from the jungle to the city, you have to create a successful community. So you have to have a population of over 20, 5 skill cards, and 5 explore cards. And how you win is by being the first person to reach civilization or the city. And yeah, this game is for about 3 to 5 players and ages 9 and up. So I designed it for about grades 3 through 5.